I go around and I go around and I go around. Ever since I was little, ever since I was little, I knew what I wanted. I used to see it.
Well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to take you guys along with me in my afternoon. I just finished up work. Work was pretty busy. I had a couple of calls and appointments. And so now that I'm done, I need to run some errands. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with. I have to go to the store and get a few items. I might have to go to 2 stores, but we'll see. So I'll show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this black top. It's actually from my mom, surprisingly. And then I'm wearing these green jeans from H&M and some socks. I'm gonna put some gym shoes on. So this is my OOTD of the day.
Still want it, then I got it, yeah, yeah. You got me sweating a little, playing hard to get, got me singing your favorite song. Is it working? Am I closer than my last try? Never thought, never thought, never thought I would still hold on after all that's been said and done. I go around and I go around and I go around, I go around. I'm always out, I am always out, I am always out, I'm always out. I keep running so I don't have to go with the fact that I think about you so. I go around and I go around and I go around, I go around. Why you making me work so hard? Why you making me play this game? What does your heart say? Is it still beating strong? Or did you replace me? Wanna forget me?
Alright you guys, so I just made it to the store. I am at a grocery store and oh my gosh, I just drove through some crazy traffic and I don't know why I thought it was a bright idea to leave during rush hour time, but nonetheless, I'm here and I'm glad to get this off my to-do list. So I know sometimes you're probably like, oh, I don't want to go do it. I don't want to go do my errands, but just go do it. You'll feel better once it's done. So, whew, but that was brutal. And I had to get gas too, so I didn't film that. But yeah, so let's go in here and get what we need to get. Alright you guys, so I'm out of the store. I totally forgot to turn the camera on. It was rough in there because, not rough, but I went in the store and I had never been in this store before, so I was trying to figure out where, you know, obviously the items I needed were, but I'll show you guys what I got when I get home. But I just had to get a few items and it was funny. I didn't want to get a bag because I try to not get a bag when I can. You know, if you know, you know in California. And half the time I forget my other little bags that I carry. I'm kind of using them now for work stuff, so I don't have little bags with me. But the stuff I got, it wouldn't have been able to fit in a little bag. And I came out the store and this guy is like, you need a personal assistant. I'm like, yes, I do. But I refused to get a bag and it worked out perfectly. So let's go home and relax. Alright you guys, so I just got in from the store. I got these washer instant beads, the Snuggle Super Fresh. They are the Spring Bursts. I really like these. I don't get them very often, but I like putting them every now and then in my laundry. And then I had to get some more soap, Dawn. I get the big bottle, that way I don't have to keep purchasing it. And then I needed some more trash bags, so I got the Hefty Ultra Strong, scent free. And then I had to get some more good old TP. I get the Charmin Ultra Soft. So now I am about to have dinner. I think I'm gonna eat this leftover sandwich that I got from my work event. It's the Urbane Cafe. I got the Californian sandwich, which is like their vegetarian sandwich. It's actually pretty good. I really like it. And it came with a cookie and some chips. But I ate the chips, and there's a little bit of cookie left. And there's half a sandwich here that I think I'm gonna eat. It comes with artichokes and lettuce and cheese, and I think it's sun-dried tomatoes on there too, so it's really good. And then I think I'm just gonna make some ramen noodles with. Alright, so my ramen noodles are pretty much done. I like them really thin. So I'm gonna take them out and drain them. Here are my noodles. I'm just getting them, all the sauce on them. And then this is my sandwich I'm gonna have. I'm gonna have to drink this sparkling water. It's orange vanilla. I really like this one. It's probably one of my favorite ones. And it's gonna be dinner. So let's do it. Let's eat.
Coming in, but
Guys,
somebody forgot to tell me.
I've been watching this
pretty admirable
Bears
job
game. I finished all of my
affecting
food.
Sam.
Alright, you guys, I just watched a bit of the game, and now I'm just going to relax and put my PJs on and get ready for bed. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. What's up, you guys? So I'm in the car and I'm just going for a drive. I think I'm gonna head to the Grove right now, so let's do it. In the Grove. But I'm excited I got out and I'm here. Let's go see. Farmers market. Cool stuff. Fall festival going on. And here is the market. Like coming in here, there's so much food. There's so much fruits and candies. There's so much in here. Look at all these old school candies. Oh my goodness. There's just so much in here, which I love it. Oh, there's this good ice cream place I like up here too. Look at all the produce. Well, I might have to get me some ice cream, guys. Yes. It might have to happen. Love the Grove. It's so pretty. It's always a vibe. Nike store. Gotta love the Nike store. I'm not gonna go in, but it's normally my stop. Oh, I kind of missed the trolley. I must have missed it. Ooh. Looks like there's a new place over there. Haagen-Dazs and Gap. Hello, Gap. So cute. Blue Press Juicery. Have you guys had that? I haven't had it yet, but look, everybody's like sitting out over here. So cute. So nice. Out of the Grove. I've never been to either one of these places, but they look really nice. I think I might get me a cupcake, guys, from Sprinkles. Haven't had one in a long time, so I say let's do it. Be a little treat to myself. A little Sprinkles. This is so cute. So cute. So guys, I decided to change our mind. I'm not gonna get a cupcake. I'm going to just bake some cookies when I get home. So we're heading out now. I had a lot of fun walking around. Hope you enjoyed the Grove with me. Definitely make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.